Agile coach. I specialize in Sprint Retrospective and I have created unique templates for team collaboration. With the help of AI, I bring graphic to life, visualizing our journey never before. Join me on this innovative adventure as we revolutionize Sprint Retrospective together. This video will be divided in 4 parts. First, developing theme for retrospective. Second, writing a prompt for Midjourney. Third, place graphic from Midjourney into Miro. Fourth, bringing together graphic with the text and making small adjustments. First, developing theme for retrospective. Having a good theme or topic which resonates with your team members is important. We want to create retrospective which is enjoyable for everyone. For example, in Sweden, I know we like coffees. Everyone likes to drink coffee during the day. I have created coffee retrospective in my past, was very popular. Once you know the theme or topic which resonates with your Scrum team members, we are ready to create some characters. In our case, I chosen theme Vegetable Garden Retrospective. We have 4 characters: green beans, cucumbers, pumpkins, and tomatoes. Number 2, write a prompt in Midjourney. For generating our pictures, we will use Midjourney. We want to create characters and background for our retrospective. I click here, I choose Application Imagine and I put the prompt. I have written create a photorealistic picture of garden with soil and grass with the view from the front. -v space 5.2 is Midjourney 5.2. We get the best results. Let's hit enter and see what we get. Takes few seconds. Now we have beautiful garden with soil. We can plant here some vegetables and I choose upscale version 2. And here is it. This is our picture for our vegetable garden. Now we can create our first character, green beans. Here is our prompt. Create a photorealistic picture of green beans plant with the view from the front and white background. It's important to mention white background. Later in Miro, we will remove the white background and we keep only the plant. It takes few seconds to generate the picture. Here we have our results. I like version 1, so we upscale version 1. And here is it. This is our green bean plant. Our next character is cucumber. Here is our prompt. Here we have results. I like version 4. Let's upscale it. And here is it. Our next character is tomato. Let's create our picture from Midjourney. Here is our prompt. Alex version 4, we upscale it. And here is it. Our last vegetable is pumpkins. Let's create pumpkins in Midjourney. Version 1 looks really good. Let's upscale it. And here is it. Next step, placing graphic from Midjourney into Miro. We import the graphic into Miro. We choose first background. Can scale it up. Now we can import our wedges. We click on one of them, we choose Miro AI and remove background. The same things over here. Tomatoes. Wonderful. And finally pumpkins. And here we have our background before veggies. Our final step, bringing together graphic with text and making small adjustments. For each characters, we have smart questions. Be sure every object is locked. Only our stickies are able to move around. This is Vegetable Garden Retrospective with graphic from Midjourney. I want to say thank you to Miro Distributed. You can find my templates at Miroverse. I'm also on LinkedIn with my name Andrzej Papanek, and also find out more about my services at itmanagement.consulting.